pull the box apart. Taking the bike out the box. To mount the handlebars, you must undo 4 bolts. When putting the bolts in, make sure you tighten them evenly and central. That's a completion of the handlebar mounting. Putting the front wheel in. One side of the wheel has got an orange sticker, and on the fork there's an orange sticker which is showing direction of rotation. The nut size is 15mm. Remove the cap from the base of the frame. Loosen the Allen key. Until it moves. Then push your seat in to the desired position where you want it, and then tighten it up to whatever height you want your seat set at. Fitting of the Speedo. Take out of the box, but keep the box as your instructions are inside this box. Loosen the screw at the back of the clock and the clocks mount on the left hand side. Once you've mounted your clock where you wish it to be, take the cable from the clock and look for an arrow. then take the other cable coming from the frame with an arrow and marry both arrows together. This is the only way they can work together. When fitting the pedals, the right hand side, the thread goes to and this is a 15mm again. This thread is the opposite to the other side. 15mm again. To power the bike on, press and hold, and you'll see a blue light, which means the bike is now powered. Your charging cable is here. Fit the charger lead in. Your mains adapter will then plug in and it will automatically charge, but here it will be red when it needs charging, green when it's fully charged. The brakes are equipped with an adjuster so you can have less travel and more brakes, and this is exactly the same on the back. More or less travel.
Got it.
There are two baskets, a weave type one and a metal one that fits on the front of the bike. Optional accessories. There's also a Bigfoot side stand, which is also an optional extra.